Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys a very easy and very quick Thai recipe. This is spicy chicken satay with peanut sauce. Very easy to make, very simple ingredients you will have in your pantry every day for everyday use. Before I go ahead and start, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started with the spicy chicken satay with peanut sauce recipe. Here I have 1.5 pound chicken breast. You can use chicken breast or chicken thigh, it's okay. And I've cut them into bite-sized pieces. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon soya sauce or tamari, 1 tablespoon garlic finely minced or grated works as well, half a teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, quarter teaspoon ginger powder, and here I have 1 cup of coconut milk. This is a canned coconut milk, but if you want to use fresh coconut milk, that's also fine. Go ahead and add this coconut milk to the chicken and go ahead and mix them well until it's all well combined. Now you can actually marinate this between 30 minutes to 4 hours or overnight is always a great option. Now I'm going to just in another saucepan, I'm going to add quarter cup of peanut butter, which is a smooth peanut butter. We want a smooth peanut butter because we're making a peanut sauce. And to the same saucepan, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon soya sauce or tamari. You can add light soya sauce, dark soya sauce, totally up to you. 1 teaspoon chili flakes or more, half a teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon brown sugar. I'm using light brown sugar. Here I have a lime. I'm going to just add 1 teaspoon of a lime zest. Just grate them directly into the saucepan. And I'm going to use the same lime, and I'm going to add half a juice from half a lime, and then I'm going to go ahead and simmer this on the stove top until it thickens up. Initially it will look like it's very thin, but don't worry about it. Just keep stirring it, and once it gets a little thicker consistency, turn it off and add the rest of the lime juice and mix it and set it aside. Now it will continue to thicken up and the sauce is ready. Now here I have a wooden skewers, and so I have soaked this for 40 minutes in the water, and then I'm going to remove the excess water by using the kitchen towel. Now once that is done, I'm going to just start skewering the chicken into the skewers. If you are using a metal skewers, then you don't have to, you can skip the soaking stuff altogether. Now go ahead and do this with the rest of the chicken that you got. Go ahead and skewer them, and then once it is done, I'm going to use the grill pan. Now if you don't have a grill pan, you can actually use a regular pan, or you can even use the outdoor grill. Now to this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of an oil. I'm using a coconut oil because it's a Thai recipe. We are using coconut milk, so coconut oil goes very well. Once the pan is nice and hot, I'm going to add the chicken satay that we just prepared a while ago. Go ahead and cook them until it's nicely browned and the chicken is cooked through all the way, all the sides. And once it is nicely cooked all the sides, it gets nice that golden brown color, you can remove this and serve this with the sauce that we prepared. Now when you actually see the golden color, that's when you want to remove it. You don't want to overcook the chicken. Now I'm going to garnish with this simple basil, green onions, some sesame seeds, roasted peanuts, some green chili or red chili, anything you want. So basically you can garnish with anything that you like. And I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope you enjoy the recipe as well. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.